Tutorial on smooth reverse.
Taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba. Taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba, taki taki rumba.
Make sure your clips are ready before you start editing. Start by opening the Speed tool. Next, tap Curve, then choose Custom. Delete the 3 beats in the middle. Then, set the first beat to 2.5x speed, and set the last beat to 0.1x speed. Tap Smooth Slow-Mo, then select Better Quality. Duplicate the clip, then reverse the clip. Add 2 keyframes, then zoom to 133%. Then, add 2 keyframes to the reversed clip. Then, set the first keyframe on the reversed clip to 133% zoom. Okay? Now add the cubic out graph to the first clip. Then, add the cubic in graph to the second clip. Next, freeze the first frame of the first clip. Then, drag the frozen frame to the overlay track. Move the overlay to match the beat of the sound, then trim it so it lines up with the first clip. Next, remove the overlay background, then tap Auto Remove. Add 2 keyframes to the overlay, then drag the overlay downward at the second keyframe. Finally, apply the quadratic out graph.